Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer Viber account to a new phone in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First off, go ahead and log into your Viber account. And then from the homepage, simply click on More at the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, you want to go to Settings, then choose Account. On this page, simply choose Viber Backup. Then from here, you want to choose backup to your Google account for Android and Apple ID for Apple users. Now, on your new phone, when you're trying to log in with the same phone number, and if you're logged into the same Google account or Apple ID, it's going to ask you to restore it. So just simply choose to restore it, and all your chats from this device will be transferred over to the other device. And that's about it. Now you know how to transfer a Viber account to a new phone in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!